Hello, this is Yinqi Huang. I'm doing the homework 8, problem 2. In this problem, firstly, we know that this is a Poisson distribution, and we get that e to the power of minus lambda t, and k equals to 0, k equals to 1, and k equals to 2. And if we sum them up, they should be 1. And this one equals to 1 plus lambda t plus this one and this one. And we multiply both sides with e to the power of lambda t. And similarly, if we substitute t as minus t, we will get 1 minus lambda t plus lambda t squared divided by 2 multiply 1, and this one equals to e to the power of minus lambda t. And if we use the first one to subtract the second one, we will get 2 multiply lambda t plus lambda t this one, and divided 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, and we will have this formula. From this to this, we divided both sides by 2, and then we multiply both sides with lambda to the power of minus e to the power of minus lambda t. And this part is what we wanted in the problem A. That is the probability of xt equals to 1 equals to in the time of 0 to t and k is odd. As we see in the image, that the image is like this. So the probability of xt equals to 1 equals to this one, and k is odd. And this one equals to this part. So we get the answer for the problem A. So the probability of xt equals to 1 equals to this answer. And the second problem is to find the expectation of xt. And in the problem B, we know that the expectation equals to 1 multiply the probability that xt equals to 1, and minus 1 multiply the probability that xt equals to minus 1. And this part we have already calculated. And similarly, the probability that xt equals to minus 1 equals to this one. And it's very similar to the first problem. And we will get the answer that the expectation of xt equals to minus e to the power of minus 2 multiply lambda multiply t. And the third problem is to find that rt1 and to t2, and this one equals to the expectation of xt1 xt2. And similarly, the expectation of this one equals to 1 multiply this, and minus 1 multiply this. So this one equals to the probability that in the time of t1 to t2 and k is even. And this equals to the probability that in the time of t1 to t2 and k is odd. So we substitute the t1 and t2 in this one and this one, and we will get our answer. And our answer is this. The last problem is to answer whether the xt is WSS. As we already calculate that the expectation of xt equals to this one, and this is not a constant because it's related to t. So we know that WSS is we know that xt is not WSS. and thank you.